We have this big garage, which is also mentioned in the description. So, nice big space. And then we walk towards the house. There are some pigsties which are used or now for storage or whatever you might need it for. And then you got a covered space for your car if you don't want to put it in the garage. We have 2 wells on the property that work very well. Irrigation. I walk backwards a bit so you can see all of the house. There's a nice spacious garden with grown-up trees, which gives a bit of shade. There's a small bull court for playing in the evening or also during the day because they're under the trees. And this is a nice big barbecue area with a nice big table. And here's the house from the other side. The view is over a field, so it's only for cultivation. No one could ever build there. And I'll show you the barbecue area from another angle. So, nice and big space. And the big barbecue. So now we're walking over to the other side of the house, where there's a small terrace area just in front of the kitchen. So it's connected with the kitchen, so you could easily bring out food and drink. And then there's a small path leading down to the pool area. With some more covered area if you don't want to sit in the sun the whole time. So I will show you. Here you can see the garage and the storage building from the other side. So this is the other part of the garden, which has, I don't remember the exact number, but hazelnut plants, which also is why we call it Il Nocciolo. And there's this little path leading down to the vegetable garden, which is a bit more flat down there. And I will show you. You can plant and get a lot of nice and fresh vegetable. This year it's been a bit bad because I couldn't move during March when you normally plant most of the things because of the lockdown, so everything was planted in May, so it's not as many vegetables nor bushes and other things as it usually is during the years, but it's a nice big space where if you're interested in growing things, you can grow loads of things. So I will now show you the indoors. This is what is usually used as the main door, which, let's see if that would be to the light, takes you into the living room. And then it's separated and you got another living space. You also got the stairs to the second floor. And then we walk into the kitchen. We've got a nice big dining space and with an open fireplace where you can do steaks and things like that in the winter. Nice open kitchen with nice big working surfaces. And you got this door which leads you out onto the terrace on the other side of the house. So it's well connected with outdoors. back in doors. It's all very well maintained. And then there's this area, which is sort of a service area. I got a bathroom with a shower. I'll try to back up. And a bathtub. Double sinks, so it's nice and spacious. And here's an access from the outdoor area. And here's a laundry and storage room, which also got an open fireplace, which was there from the beginning, so they kept it. We'll walk you upstairs. Let's see. So, up. We got this small hallway, which connects all the rooms. This room got an open fireplace and is used as a guest room and as a study. And this one also got its own separate access through the outdoor stairs. And then there are 3 other bedrooms. Nice and spacious and nice and bright. And this is the master bedroom, which got its own bathroom. And it's very nice and large. And you got a view of the garden and the pool area. A lot of storage. Nice big for all the clothes. And then we walk over here. There's another bathroom. With a shower. And another bedroom. So that's the whole house.